Righty, so I'm going to show you my big package now. What? You thought I meant something else? Stop being rude. I'm going to slice into my big parcel. Ooh, that now it's going into my big package. This is going to be a Kickstarter. I'm pretty certain, because the other stuff aren't due until next week at the earliest. My other deliveries. So, and I think this will be revolver, flintlock, all 6 issues. Ooh. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Here's a Kickstarter. Once Upon a Rhyme, number 2 of 19. So 17 more to go. Mews News, Costermonger's Courier, Hark Hark the Cries of London. Once Upon a Time, eh? Once Upon a Rhyme, second publication. So that's a 1,000-piece jigsaw. 150 stories told with 1,000 pieces of jigsaw. So, it's a Kickstarter. It's not the one I thought it was. Cool, cool, cool. There. Where's the other one? So that's 2 now. First one was Majesty's Military Matters, Majesty's Services. So yeah, excellent stuff. Once Upon a Rhyme, number 2. Peace. And I'm out of here. We're at 896. Far away.